Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. How are you? I think you all are fine and safe, right? So, in the previous class, we have completed till chapter 7. So, let's continue with the chapter 8. So, after the rain, let's listen to the poem.
After the rain.
The leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrows hopping in the lane are brisk and full of cheer. And that is why we dance and play. And that is why we sing. Calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today. And that is why we dance and play, and that is why we sing. Calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today, nor learn anything. It is a happy thing, I say, to dance and play on such a day.
So, this is the poem of the rain. The leaves are fresh after the rain. So, after playing, leaves are fresh. After the leaves, the rain comes, the leaves become the fresh. If the air passes, it will be cool and clear. If the sun rises, it will warm again. If the sparrows hopping on the lane, so our breasts are full of cheer. And that's why we dance and play. And that is why we sing, right? So calling out with the voice of gay, we are not to school today. So there is no school today, no learning, nothing writing, and we are happy to say that to dance and play on such a day. Right, so let's watch the animation.
After the rain.
The leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrows hopping in the lane are brisk and full of cheer. And that is why we dance and play. And that is why we sing. Calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today. And that is why we dance and play. And that is why we sing. Calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today.
So by this,
anything.
you have to understand the entire poem, right? So let's continue with the next page. So this is side words: warm, having a pleasant temperature; brisk, quick, voice the sound that you make when you speak and sing; gay means happy. This is Pictionary words: sparrow. So answer the following question: how do the following looks and feel after the rain? How the leaves will become, how the sun, how the sparrow, and how the children will play together. You have to write, okay? We'll be giving this homework videos for you in this later classes. So next comes, so let's see this activity. This is the pen. Next, this is the doll. This is the shout. This is the blue. Right, like this you have to do this, okay? So let's continue. So next comes, after the rain, what will see? Rainbow. Name the colors, which letters you give. So you have to write the colors of the rainbow colors names, okay? So by this we have completed a chapter. I hope you understand all the chapters explanation and do the exercise as well and take the help of your mother while doing this. So you have to name this. This is a vowel, indigo, blue.